To our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to GoDaddy Website Builder in 2026. Want your GoDaddy site to use a custom domain instead of temporary URL? Let's do it the right way. Now, connecting a custom domain in 2026 is simple. If you follow the correct steps, many people break their site by editing DNS manually when it's not needed. Now, in today's tutorial, I'll show you the safest and correct method. Now let's follow these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to log into GoDaddy. Now you're gonna go to the dashboard.godaddy.com and make sure you log into your Google account or your Facebook account or your GoDaddy account. After that, you're gonna open the website builder. You can do that by clicking on website here from the left side. Click on the website section. Then you're gonna click on edit website. Once you click on the website, you're gonna open your website, then you're gonna click on edit website. We're gonna wait for the website builder to load, and then you're gonna click on settings, and then you're gonna go to your domain. Now you can alternatively use the domain section by clicking on domain here. Let's click on domain, and here you can search and click connect on existing domains, and then you're gonna select your domain and set it as primary. Here you can find all the domains you search for, and then you can publish your website. You can wait for the propagation, which takes up to 24 hours. And also, don't manually edit the DNS unless asked. And don't connect multiple domains at once. One primary domain only is sufficient. And be patient with the propagation. And now your custom domain is now connected and live. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.